Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena. So today, as you're gonna see, I'm going to be making Doro, but with the Instant Pot. So this only takes 2 hours, super fast, but it doesn't taste like it only took 2 hours. It tastes like you've been cooking it all day. Let's get into this. So this is actually all the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a lot of onions. I have red onions here. You're gonna need some chicken. These are from the farmer's market, so these are organic, pasture raised, no corn, no soy, just clean, 100% clean. This tastes like chicken from Ethiopia. That's how pure it is. Organic garlic, kibe, which is Ethiopian spiced butter, some salt. Last but not least, you're gonna need some berbere, Ethiopian red spice. And to make life easier on yourself so that you're not chopping onions for literally the whole day, you're gonna grab the biggest cutting board that you can have, preferably made out of real wood. You're gonna get something like this. This is a garlic crusher. Put the garlic in here, it crushes it. And then grab this. This is an onion cutter. So you put the onion in here, you twist it. This is the most important thing that you're gonna need. This is the Instant Pot. This is what makes the cooking the Doro only 2 hours instead of all day long. I'm gonna cut like 4 of these at a time. That way you don't hurt your eyes too much. I'm just gonna cut the onions into like smaller pieces. Maybe just like 1, 2, just that's it. And now you just throw your pieces of onion in here, and then you're gonna get somebody who's kind of strong like Elias.
Oh really?
And you're gonna make him chop this. See how small those pieces are? Looks great. Now we're just gonna add it to our Instant Pot. So I'm gonna fill the onions all the way to this max PC fill line. All right, we've got a lot more to go. That's about enough. See how it's hitting that max fill line? Perfect. So I have my Instant Pot outside on the balcony so that your house doesn't smell like pressurized onions. So you're just gonna put it on the rice setting, which is like the low, and you're gonna let that pressure cook and ignore the time on here. I'm gonna cook this for 30 minutes on my own timer and then check it after 30 minutes. Next, we're gonna be crushing this garlic. I just got the kind that's already peeled just to make this easier. I'm gonna do probably 1 whole package.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. The hard part is the onions. That's done. Now all of the rest of the stuff is so easy. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. So now we're gonna push cancel. We're gonna change the venting to quick, and then we're gonna push start. And then this is how it vents. See that? And that's just flowing outside. This is why I'm cooking it outside, because this smell, it will last us so long indoors. After it finishes venting, then you can open it. And so you should see that the onions have cooked a lot. I'll show you that there's a lot of juice in here. You see all that juice? That's what you're looking for. And look at how much that's reduced. We had it up here on the max line and it's reduced about halfway. At this stage, actually, we're going to be adding some berbere and we're going to be adding some kibe. For this recipe, I add exactly 1 cup of berbere, and I'm also going to add about 1/3 a cup of kibe, and then just mix that together. See how it's already starting to look like Doro. I'm gonna put the cap back on. I'm gonna continue to pressure cook this rice and hit start. I'm gonna cook this for 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes has passed. At this point, all we're doing is we're stirring it because we don't want that berbere to stick on the bottom. So yeah, oh my God, now it's starting to smell so delicious. And I'm gonna continue to cook this for another 12 minutes. I got the exact timing of this because like I've literally done this so many times. So yeah. Rice, start, and I'm gonna set my phone for 12 minutes. Come back and we'll add the garlic. All right, it's been 12 minutes, so same process as before. Hit cancel. If it needs to vent, quick venting, hit start, and let's let that vent. We can't open it until it vents. Just letting it vent all over my plants. Now, plants love the smell of dorowat. All right. Let's take a look at it now. So we're gonna stir this. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. The smell is so good. Now I'm just gonna add my garlic. So all of the garlic goes in and we're just gonna stir that in. And then we're gonna cook this for an additional 12 minutes just to reduce the spiciness. Rice and start. 12 more minutes. All right, while that's cooking, I'm going to get in here and wash this chicken. I got my chicken thighs in the sink right here. I'm gonna grab some lemons or limes. Half of these skin off for Elias, the other half I'm keeping the skin on. I like the skin, so yeah, I can just literally rip it off and toss this out, even though this is really delicious. Grab some lemon and then you're just going to spray some lemon juice in here. This is just to clean the chicken so that you have a nice, fresh, clean chicken. So at this point, when your chicken is nice and clean, you're just gonna grab a knife and you're just gonna poke some holes in the chicken so that when you cook it, that berbere sauce can go all the way inside and it'll be very yummy. All right, so this chicken is ready to go. Alrighty, let's take a look at that. Yum, yum, yum. The smell is amazing. We're just gonna stir that. Perfect, it's not sticking on the bottom. I have my chicken over here. I'm just going to be adding that one by one, just like that. We're gonna submerge those chicken in there so we can get that sauce. Lid goes back on. We'll come back after 15 minutes. So right now I'm gonna add the butter and the salt if the chicken is finished cooking. And yeah, we are almost done. Yay! I'm so excited. All right, let's open it up and let's see what we got. Right now I'm gonna add some pink Himalayan sea salt. And I'm gonna add some kibe right now too, because we're kind of in the last steps. All right guys, 10 more minutes and it will be finito. Yum. Alrighty, let's take a look. Okay, now how about that? This is dorowat. This is Ethiopian chicken stew, aka dorowat. I'm just going to taste this for salt. And if it needs more, I'll add more. I'm gonna add some more salt because I tasted it and it definitely needs some salt. Oh, I know it looks like a lot, but this is pink Himalayan sea salt. It's not regular like Morton salt, so it's not as salty as what you buy from the grocery store. All right, it is finished. It looks delicious. The salt is perfect now. Now I'm gonna wait for Elias to bring some injera and we're gonna eat. Oh, look at that, yum. These are my eggs from the farm. Look at that, look at that. I'm just gonna do 2. Just me eating right now. I got my eggs are finished. Usually what you'll see is that they put the boiled eggs like inside of the Doro wats, but I don't like that. I like to make fresh boiled eggs every time I eat it. So that's how I prefer it, because otherwise the eggs are gonna turn gray and dark on the inside. And I don't like that. So fresh eggs every single time. I'm gonna show you, these eggs are gonna be perfect. Alright, watch this, okay? Look how perfect this is gonna be. Look at that. Okay, alright. That is a perfect egg.
You don't know unless you open them. You gotta open it.
Yeah, but I know.
Okay.
Boil it for 12 minutes, it'll be perfect. These other ones. Hello, how you guys doing? Crack it along the sink and then perfection. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, excuse me, cameraman. Cameraman's on his phone. So you're gonna grab a big plate like this. This is my injera plate. It fits the size of an injera perfectly. Your injera, and you're just gonna lay it out. Oh, look at that. See, it fits it perfectly. The 100% Tef injera is darker too. I like it.
The darker, the better.
The darker, the better.
There you go.
Alright.
Let's see.
Come in and see this Doro. It's yum, yum, yum. Look at that. Alright, we're just gonna plate this Doro. Just like that. See, when I make Doro, I put a lot of meat in there. I'm not cheap, you know. Just when you go to a restaurant, you get 1 piece of meat and a whole bunch of sauce. No, 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 no. And then you can add your eggs to here.
That's Amena style.
Yes. Well, okay, you can, alright, you can like submerge your eggs a little so they get some flavor, you know. But just don't leave it in there because your eggs will turn gray and gray eggs don't look good.
Are you telling the Ethiopian moms like they were doing like wrong and you wanna correct them right now?
I'm just
Are you being serious?
No, I'm just saying. The gray eggs are fine. You can eat gray eggs. There's nothing wrong. Alright, so this is it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yum, yum, yum for your tum, tum, tum. Because
I already ate, you know.
it's so rude. Let me give you a gursha.
Number 1, you know that, right?
Number 1, did you guys hear that? Okay, ready? Here you guys go, gursha.
Wow.
That is really good. That is so delicious, guys. And what are these eggs? Are they not perfect? Are they gray?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. These are perfect. I told you I cook my eggs perfectly. So I'm a weirdo. I literally like to just take the egg like this and dip it into the sauce. Just like this.
Dip it.
I like to dip it and then eat it. It's so good. Is that weird, bud?
Dip it?
Yeah, how look, I dip the egg like this and I take a bite.
No, dip egg is good.
It's so good.
Do you know the guy?
Alright, I'm gonna finish this off camera because it's kind of awkward to hold this plate like this. Let me enjoy my Doro, guys. And I'll see you guys later.